Hi, I'm Rebecca Rowntree with Osa Tropical Properties. It is my pleasure to introduce you to this really fantastic 1.5 acre property located in Ojochal, just 50 meters off the paved road, very easy access to shopping, beaches, restaurants, yoga, the gym. This is a really fantastic location. This property is entirely usable. It features 2 different access points, one from the top road and another from a road down below. There is also an internal grass-covered road throughout the entire property, so it's easy to access all of the land. There is a wide variety of beautiful, tall, mature, fruit-producing trees, over 20 different varieties of trees on this property. Please take a look at the listing description for the entire list of fruit trees. Located on this property is a rustic but really cute, cozy 1-bedroom cabin. It's constructed out of treated pine material. There is a kitchenette with laundry facilities, a bathroom, and a spacious deck that is great for relaxing, stargazing in the evenings, and looking out at the ocean view and the jungle all around during the day. You will be amazed at the wide variety of birds that visit this property because there are some cashew trees on the property. Often scarlet macaws come to visit, and today there were some parrots in one of the mango trees. Thank you for joining us on the tour of this property. Please take a look at the listing. For any other details and inquiries, you may contact me. I'm Rebecca Rowntree with Osa Tropical Properties.